One of the questions I'm asked frequently is whether or not you can add a relationship to KW Command. So if you have a wife, can you add the husband? Can you add a partner to each? Can you add family members? Whatever type of relationship there is. So you can. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and enter one of the relationships in here as a contact. Okay, so in this particular case, I have Jeff Helvin, who happens to be my brother, and he's in my database. So we're going to use him as an example. So if I scroll down here to add more information and I go to about, now I can scroll down to relationships. So we have spouse, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, sibling, parent, child, sibling of a parent, child of a sibling, cousin, grandparent, grandchild, step sibling, step parent, stepchild, sibling in law, parent in law, child in law, business partner, partner, or other. So literally everything is covered. So Lori is his sister. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down to sister. And then I'm going to find Lori Ballen. So you would enter each one of them as their own individual contacts. And then once you do that, we're going to go ahead and click add. Hold on. I lost something there. Let me do that again. There she is, Lori Ballen. Okay. So if I didn't have Lori Ballen, let's just say I didn't have her yet, then I could go to the add option and it will then add her as a contact. And then I can go in and make whatever updates there are later. So let me just show you. Let me refresh this. Now in this particular case, we just added Lori first name only. So we go to edit. We're going to go back down to add more information. We're going to go down to the about, and we will go to relationship. There's the one we just added, and so now she's in there. You see how that works? So you'll still have to go back in and edit that contact later. It simply puts in the name and creates the placeholder for the contact. Okay, so you only need to click add if you need to add a new person. Otherwise, just leave it right here. There's no enter or any other sort of confirmation there, but we are going to scroll down and click save at the bottom. Now we're going to be able to see, oh, it listed me as a spouse. I'm not a spouse. Let me see if I did that. I think I did that by mistake. Let me check. Let's go back down, add more information about sister. Save. Okay, now I'm in there twice, but that's okay. So that was a user error there. Okay, so then what we can do is we can go over to Lori Ballen by just clicking on the name, and you can see that this is my contact record for Lori Ballen, and you can see there that Jeff Helvin is then listed in the relationship. So yes, you would need to create separate contacts in order to link the relationships in KW Command. But the option is here, and that's what we want. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas. Thanks for joining me today.